안녕하세요. Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about confusing pronunciation in these Korean consonants. This is one of most asked questions by my students. Can you pronounce those differently and correctly? And how about this? Look at this. This pronunciation can be quite confusing. In this video, I will explain how you can pronounce them accurately and differently, and also offer some example words. Let's look at these consonants. We have g, d, b, s, j. And right here, by adding one more stroke from here, and this look a little differently, but in a way, adding one more stroke, we are making aspirated sound. Aspirated sounds means that you are sending air from your mouth to outside of your mouth, getting them out like a p, just like that. And this, by doubling up those consonants, what happens is we are making intense and stressed sound. And when you pronounce that, what happens is your throat get intense and you feel some muscle right there. Let's try to pronounce. We have a g, k. So air gets out from inside of your mouth to outside. You should feel airflow and little wind from your mouth to out. K. And here, intense and put strength on your throat. And you're gonna say g. D, t. Air gets out and your throat gets intense. And then you pronounce d. B, p, air gets out, b, s, and this with s, j, ch, air gets out, and intense, j. Let's look at some example words. We have a g, and I'm adding e vowels right there. G, gi, k, ki, g, gi, ki, 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 고리, a hook, 꼬리, a tail. We have 그, 우, 르, that makes 굴, an oyster. And this is doubling up, 꿀, means honey. See, it looks like a very slight difference, but those are very two different words. So you don't want to mix up by pronouncing incorrectly. 코, air gets out from your mouth, 코, and coffee. When Koreans say coffee, we will say coffee, just like that. Let's look at those three. We have, I'm adding E vowel right here. D, T, air gets out and intense in your throat. D. And 달, 딸. 달 means moon. 딸 means a daughter. Very different, right? 토끼, an X. 토끼, a rabbit. 다리, a leg or a bridge. 타요, 타요. 버스를 타요. Take a bus. 택시를 타요. Take a taxi. It means ride. And let's look at those three. I'm adding E vowels to here. B, P. Air gets out and your throat getting intense. B. And let's try those. 불, a fire. 풀, it could mean grass or weed, something like that. 풀, air gets out. 뿔, a horn. 바지, pants. party, a fly, or Paris in France. Koreans will say party too. So 바빠요, this word is showing one, just a regular simple consonant and double consonant together. 바빠요. And let's look at those two. Adding E vowel she. 사요, to buy. 싸요, to be inexpensive, to be cheap. So those are words that can be easily mixed up and make people confused if you are not pronouncing them correctly. 사요, 싸요. 삼, it could be number 3. But if you say 쌈, it is one of the Korean dish that you'd use lettuce and put rice and meat and other sauce in it and wrap it and eat it, one of the Korean dish. 사과, an apple. 눈썹, an eyebrow. Let's look at those 3. 지, 치. Air gets out. You can hear the air is popping out, right? 지. Your throat gets intense and sending stressed out sound. And those are showing very well how those pronunciation are different and how the difference of those makes whole new 3 words. 자요, to sleep. But if you say 차요, that 차요, that could mean to be cold or to kick like a ball or something. But if you say 콜라가 Coke. 콜라가 차요, that means Coke is cold. 짜요 means to be salty. 잠, asleep in noun. 참, very. 참 좋아요. Very good. 진짜. This one shows one single, just a 즈, and then double consonant. 쯔. 진짜. 진짜 means really. 일찍. Early. 일찍 가요. I go early. I hope this video was helpful to understand how you can pronounce this confusing consonant correctly. Thank you so much for watching. 고맙습니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.